Hi, it's Peg from StencilGirl Creative Team, and today I want to say happy birthday, Mary Beth Shaw. I tell you, this is one of the kindest, most generous women that I have met, and it's been a while. I met Mary Beth probably taking art classes because I love taking art classes. I think my first class I took in Mary Beth's studio was with, can't remember if it was with Seth Apter or Mary Beth herself, or I don't know. Anyway, I've taken classes with Mary Beth. I would recommend classes with Mary Beth. Check out her class schedule online because I know you're all locked down at home and can't get out and do things. Um, but Mary Beth is one of the people that I love to follow because she loves to experiment as much as I do. And if you look at what I have on my desk, this is a piece of plastic, just, I don't know, something from packaging. And Stencil Girl Stencil, of course, from Traci Bautista, one of my favorites. And I'm using alcohol ink and StazOn ink on that particular piece. Where did I learn this? Oh, watching Mary Beth. Check out her videos because she does all kinds of fun stuff. And I think you'll enjoy what she does because she takes you through a lot of different products and a lot of different techniques. And one of the things that I really enjoy doing is making components. And Mary Beth is queen of components, let me tell you. She spends days on end making collage components. And so I thought I would show you a few pieces where I have applied some alcohol ink to some different surfaces and um, just made components. But I also want to especially say happy birthday, happy birthday, Mary Beth. I'm going to make a little card for her. I want to send a package off just to say thank you for all the years and friendship that she has given to me. And yeah, this is another piece. I'm just soaking up some of that excess alcohol ink off of it. I'm going to let that stencil sit on there and make an impression on this synthetic paper. And then I will start an ATC. We've been doing ATCs every day in the month of June for Art Joy Sharing. Chelsea, who is my partner, companion, artist buddy, especially at Stencil Girl, because we co-host things for Stencil Girl. And I have been doing ATCs every day, so I thought it would be appropriate to do an ATC for Mary Beth. So here you go. Here's my ATC. Here's some of those alcohol ink pieces that are cut up for ATCs and ATC backgrounds. And oh man, aren't they colorful and fun? So I hope you enjoy this. Thanks for stopping by with me today. And happy birthday, Mary Beth.